Alright, so the fifth construction we're going to do is we're going to look at how to construct a square with the length of one side. The only information you need to construct a square is the length of one side. So we're going to construct square QRST such that the length of QR is 6 centimeters. Now if QR is 6 centimeters, it means that the length of all the sides are 6 centimeters. Alright, so let's discuss how we're going to do it. So I will start by drawing QR. And QR will be 6 centimeters. If I want, I could put it at Q or I could put it at R, it doesn't matter. But all the angles in a square measure how much? All the angles in the square measure what angle?
90.
1, what about 1?
90.
Each of them measure 90 degrees. So at Q, I'm going to construct a 90-degree angle. I hope you all practice them, because I did tell you to practice them. So here I scribe my wide arc. Remember, we're measuring angles along this arc. Where the arc cuts the line QR, that is 0 degrees. So this is 0 degrees. I move the metal tip from Q, put it at 0 degrees, and I scribe an arc. A line from here, from Q through here, will give me 60 degrees. I move the metal tip up from, so this is 60 degrees. I move the metal tip up from 0, put it at 60 degrees, and I scribe an arc. A line from Q through here would give me 120 degrees. 90 is in the dead middle between 60 and 120. So next, without shifting anything, up to now I don't shift nothing. Put the metal tip at 60 and scribe an arc. Then put the metal tip at 120 and scribe an arc. A line from Q through here will give me 90 degrees. The quadrilateral is QRST. So out here, so I'm going to have T. What will be the length of QT? If it is a square, what will be the length of QT?
6 centimeters.
6 centimeters. So I'm going to make this line 6 centimeters. So this is T. Are you ready? What is the length of all the sides, all 4 sides?
6 centimeters.
I would then open the compass to 6 centimeters. I would put it at T and I would scribe. Then I would put it at R and I would also scribe. Anywhere the 2 arcs intersect, QR, this would be S. Then I would connect T to S and R to S, and I would have my square. Ladies and gentlemen, please draw line segment QR of length 6 centimeters. Draw line segment QR of length 6 centimeters.
Sir, number 5 and that are the same thing, sir? The top one and that one.
And what we're doing now?
Yeah.
Yes, we're doing the fifth construction, which is to construct a square.
So that the Q and R
This is part of constructing the square. So this is, I just discussed it, then we're going to now construct it.
Okay, more on how to write it.
Write it coming down. Understand? This is a sort of a drawing, I was just discussing how to do it.
So all that is number 5.
Yes.
Oh.
We're constructing a square, this is what we're doing, this is the example. So this is telling you that we're constructing a square. Then this is what the example question could possibly look like. All right. Everybody. All right, everybody please observe. Everybody please observe. I did tell you all to practice these constructions. It means that I don't have the time to teach them over. I'm going to put the metal tip at Q. At Q I need a 90-degree angle. At Q I need a 90-degree angle. Don't do anything until I'm finished because you should know how to do it. I put the metal tip at Q and I scribe an arc. This is 0 degrees. I move the metal tip from Q and put it at 0 degrees. And then I scribe a second arc to cut the first arc. A line from Q through here will give you 60 degrees. You know what? I said don't do anything until I'm finished. So a line from Q through here will give you 60 degrees. Up to now, I ensure that my compass is not shifting. Alright, I move the metal tip up from 0 and put it at 60 degrees and I scribe a third arc to cut the first arc. A line from Q through here will give me 120. 90 would be in the middle between 60 and 120. Up to now, my compass don't shift. I move the metal tip and I put it at 120. And I scribe an arc. Then I bring it back to 60 degrees and I scribe a second arc to intersect that arc. A line from Q through here will give me 90 degrees. Ladies and gentlemen, this is QRS. So up here is T. What would be the length of QT?
6 centimeters.
It is a square, so all sides would be 6 centimeters. So I'm going to draw this line exactly 6 centimeters long. I'm going to draw this line exactly 6 centimeters long. This is Q, and at the top here would be T. Everybody do the same.
So like 6. This is the point to make up 0 degrees.
And this is where when people don't follow instructions, that's why I end up with problem. I told you, practice the construction. So when you come here, you don't have any problem. And people don't practice them. It's not what? 6 centimeters. One friend is you must make it 6 centimeters. So ensure that it's not, your line is not longer than 6. 6 centimeters would stop it here. So that one is your T. You understand? This is T. Alright. It doesn't matter if the crossing is above it. It doesn't matter. Alright? That is T. Alright. Alright. And if you are to look, Andrea, I think you need to pour a short at a different time.
Yes.
At some point you need to meet her and show her to her. Alright. Now let's finish the construction. The length of all the sides in a square measure how much?
It's 6 centimeters.
6 centimeters. Here's what you're going to do. Open this compass now to 6 centimeters. You're going to open the compass to a radius of 6 centimeters. Why 6? Because the length of all the sides are 6 centimeters. I put it at Q and I open it to 6 centimeters.
Sir, so you use this when you draw the line to the right hand at 6 centimeters.
Yes. This is All the sides measure 6 centimeters. Hold up your head and look. All the sides are already, this side is 6, this side is 6. I just need the other two sides. To get the other two sides, I need to find out exactly where is the point S. Please observe. My compass is open to how much?
6 centimeters.
I put it at R and I scribe an arc. Somewhere along that arc is the point S. I need another arc to help me to find out exactly where S is. Then I put it at T and I scribe an arc. Anywhere the two arcs intersect, that would be the point. That would be the point S. So this is the point S. So the final step would be to connect T to S and R to S. The final step would be to connect T to S and R to S. So R to S. And T to S. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you construct a square. This is how you construct a square.